Welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead Shop and Unbox channel. Today I'm unboxing a package from Temu, and these are supposed to be some solar lights and well, just a little incentive to contribute to my home decor. It was not free, I purchased it. This, if you know, you know. Yeah, it's a cast iron horseshoe, and I need more of them, but I just added one so that my order could ship. This is it. Solar ceiling lamp, and I got two of them, hoping to cut down on my electricity bill with these. I don't really use that much light. I'm an in the dark girl, but my kid can't see. Well, he can see, but he acts like he can't. Or rather, he acts like I'm an owl. So, yeah, I got one for his room, even though there is... I've already gotten a ceiling fan with light and strip lights for his room. These are the batteries and the screws and the anchors. I'm thinking this is the handle for the panel. This is the remote for the batteries. Yeah, batteries are for the remotes, I'm assuming. Big remotes. Oh, was this the one I ordered? So this is what it looks like. It says it's a ceiling light, but I'm just going to put it on the wall, the side of the wall, so that the panel, these are, what are these? Manual. Those are that's the manual. Installation manual. I ordered the wrong, I think. I'm gonna have to check. I think I ordered the round ones. I'm not sure. And it does not really look like the picture, but this is it. Because I could have sworn I have no idea what I ordered. And it did get delayed a bit, so I kind of forgot. Yeah, they're the same things. They are the same. think this is not showing too much because I'm not wearing pants. Yeah, they're the same. So I guess that's it for the solar lamps. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to follow the journey. Head over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel to see what I do with all of these products that I'm purchasing and much more. The homesteading journey. Anyway guys,